Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to watch TikTok videos in picture-in-picture mode using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So you have heard where you can watch live videos on picture-in-picture mode. However, TikTok has now released a new feature where you can watch your normal TikTok videos in picture-in-picture mode. So let me show you how to enable this and how to watch your TikTok videos in picture-in-picture mode. So before we begin, you want to first go to your App Store, update your TikTok app to the latest version. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now once TikTok is open, you want to go ahead and long press on the screen. This will bring up a menu. From the top of the menu, you want to swipe left, and here you'll see picture-in-picture mode on the end of the screen. So go ahead and tap on that. This will now enable picture-in-picture, as you can see from the top screen. Now to enable picture-in-picture mode on TikTok, you want to go ahead and go back to your home screen. This will now bring TikTok in picture-in-picture mode, and you can basically multitask while watching your TikTok videos. Now, the negative part of watching TikTok videos in picture-in-picture mode, you're unable to swipe up to next videos. Now, fortunately, TikTok has a solution for that, which is auto scroll. So you want to go back to your TikTok app, long press on the screen, and go ahead and enable auto scroll. So now this will auto scroll once a TikTok video finishes, and this will move on to the next TikTok video. So now when you enable picture-in-picture mode, this will now go to the next video, and you can continue multitasking in the background. To exit out of picture-in-picture mode on your TikTok app, you want to go ahead and tap on the screen. Then you want to go ahead and tap on this top right icon, which basically shows one solid and one hollow. This will then bring you back to your TikTok app. You want to long press on the screen, and then from here you want to go ahead and disable picture-in-picture and disable auto scroll. And there you go, guys. That is how to watch TikTok videos in picture-in-picture mode. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.